Hey y'all, what's poppin'? Welcome back to my channel. So alright y'all, so I'm just basically be doing a get ready with me, especially for women of color. You know, I'm gonna show y'all how I get ready on a daily, because every time I do a get ready with me, it never like come out with good quality. So I'm gonna give it one more try. So yeah, today I'm just gonna be showing y'all how I get ready. This is literally what I do every time if I wear makeup, because I don't like wearing makeup, but when I do put makeup on, I like to look flawless, everyday looking makeup, glowy, you know, all that good stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll be back. So I've been liking putting like eyeliner, like the small wing liner, because when you put your lashes on, it just makes you look even cute and give you that Barbie doll look. And right now I'm just trying to decide where I put my lashes at, you know. I'd be like, oh. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna throw on some lashes. And after that, I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows. I like to use a spoolie first because, you know, I got a little bit of hair, you know, a little hairy eyebrows, you know. But yeah, I like thick eyebrows, so I'm gonna go in and fill them in, not that much. And I just get this eyebrow pencil from Shop Miss A. I love Shop Miss A. Well, forever love Shop Miss A. But yeah, I just fill in my eyebrows a little bit because, like I said, I really have thick eyebrows already, so I just give them that little oomph. Now I'm going to be taking my Fit Me foundation. I use the matte one because I'm always oily. And I'm just going to use that to like clean up my eyebrows. I don't use concealer. I use foundation. Since I use concealer on my face, it's crazy. I'm opposite. I use concealer on my face and I use foundation for my eyebrows. But hey, everybody got their own routine. So I'm just going to be cleaning up my eyebrows, make them look sharp and cute. Alright, so now I'm just going to be taking off my scarf because I need to do makeup on my forehead, make sure everything blended, you know, and I'll be back to finish up my hair. Now I'm going to be taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Chestnut, and I'm just going to put that all over my face, under my eyes, to hide them bags, and my pigmentation on my nose, and my acne scars on my face and cheek, you know, make everything look flawless. I look like I have flawless skin when I put this concealer on. I love this concealer. And make sure to put on your neck dolls, because, you know, we're in 2019, and we need to make sure we are blended and looking our same color all over our face and our necks, if you know what I mean. And then I'm going to be taking my beauty blender from Shop Miss A, and it actually will cost only $1, and I just wet them, and then I use it for my concealer, my foundation. It makes everything so flawless. Like, I love the sponge. I'm going to go order some more. But yeah, get into this, girls. Alright, now I'm going to be taking my face powder, and I'm going to tap off the excess powder, and I'm going to put it all over my face, you know, to matte the face and set everything in. Now I'm going to get some highlight so I can look like a disco ball. I'm just kidding. But today I'm not going to look like a disco ball because I'm going for a light, natural look. But I got this highlight from Shop Miss A long time ago. But this highlight is popping. Like, it give you, like, the minimum amount you need. Then I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. setting spray, and I'm going to set my face, like, yes, flawless. And let it dry. And now I'm about to do my hair. So let me tell y'all about this hair. So this hair is the GRWM 30-inch long wavy hair that I did in my previous videos, you just throw down my channel and you'll see it. Yes, y'all, so I straightened it and it was bomb. I love it. This hair is bomb. Like your synthetic hairs are the bomb, and the baby hairs are even flawless. Like, y'all wouldn't even know that it's a synthetic wig. So yeah, I did straighten this hair out. I had this hair for 4 weeks in total now. I used it for 4 weeks, in total. So I used it long and wavy for 2 weeks, and then I straightened it and gave me another usage for 2 weeks. So this wig, you literally can have this wig for a whole month and have 2 hairstyles in one. So make sure to cop this, y'all. Cop this wig. And I'm gonna put my lip gloss on because I want my lip gloss to be popping. So now I'm going to straighten out the hair. I just do this to make the hair look even natural because, you know, it's synthetic and it's not going to look flawless if you don't brush it or straighten it. But then after that, I'm going to get my powder that I use on my face to put in my part to make it look even natural looking. And once I'm done with that, I do use a hot comb for the top of the hair just to smooth it out. You don't really need to, but I just do it for my preference. And then the hair is all done. Like, this is like my favorite synthetic hair thus far this year. Well, last year, but you know, this year too. So thank you dolls for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Turn your notification on. Follow me on all my social media. You know all the jazz. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, doll.